Got some microphones I got to work on here. Turn my squelch up, get rid of some of that noise there. Yeah, we got a microphone here. We got some kind of issue. Well, let's do this first. Let's see what we got here. 4-pin Cobra. Audio check, audio check. Hello, 1 2 1 2. Yeah, okay. What's up here? Yep. All right. There's none on this end. Let's tighten that back up. Yep, got chain screwdrivers. Yep, this kind of happens when you overstretch a cord. Breaks wires and makes them come unsoldered and all that good stuff. You see that? I'm hoping it goes right there. Let me resolder this real quick. Broke a wire on the switch. Woo! Man. I want to thank everybody again for watching the old videos. We sure enjoy making them. Yeah. Okay, they added a resistor and a cap on the switch here. This is custom. That is something new right there. I've never seen before. Get that red wire out of the way, put that orange wire in there. That needs something else on that to make that tight against that case so it don't slide back and forth like that. It needs some kind of a tie down or something on that. Keep it tight against that thing so it don't slide out no more. But they should have fixed it. Put that bad boy on there. Let's see what we got here now.
Audio check, 1 2 1 2. Old 408, old Stingray's technology just got down. Audio.
Uh-oh, I got a breaker.
I got a breaker. Hang on here, man. Let me get my breaker.
Let's see what we got here. Come on in here, Two-Tide. Hey, Two-Tide, get my radio break. Yeah, you had an orange broke wire off the switch there. You broke a wire inside the microphone, not at the mic plug. It was inside the microphone. Yeah, I already got it soldered back. I'm gonna put some kind of a tie down on that inside that mic so that mic wire don't slide out of the chassis no more. It just slides in and out. It needs some kind of a tie down in there so it don't move no more. I'll get back with you. Well, I said something smart there. I guess a man could put some super glue on that. Won't hurt a thing. Let me put me a little dab on there. I'm getting a little low on glue. I'm going to have to go buy me some more. I think that glue's going to eat that. That's one thing about super glue. It wants to eat everything it gets a hold of, especially plastic and rubber. This definitely going to work. Oh well, I'll edit this video. Alright. We got a microphone here that's real nasty.
Yeah, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Yeah.
Alright. Show you what we got here. If you ain't got this, you ain't gonna buy some. I'm getting low, so I'm getting ready to buy me some more. But that right there, excuse me, is some good stuff. show you what I'm talking about right here. Let's see this battery. Let's turn that off for a minute. Show you what I'm talking about. It's a Miracle Liquid. That's what it is. Yeah, boy. It's about $40 a can, but I tell you what. Get that thing and spray it right in there. Put this back on. Key that sucker up about 15, 20 times. And it's going to be ready to go. Yeah, boy. That should have fixed it. I fixed that many of them. I mean, many. Let's see what we got here now. See how quiet that is?
Audio check. 1 2 1 2. Good clean. Good clean. Not a bit of damn scratchiness. Audio check. Fixed it. We just got down. Bye.
Yep, that was an easy fix. Next, y'all have a good day and a great, great Christmas. We gotta go. Got an old Bearcat. Had to change the wiring on it there. These old ends in bad shape. We had to start fresh. I'll get this old magnifying glass where I need it. Got some crazy skip in there running today on channel 13. Y'all come by and holler at me sometime. There's the wiring for a Uniden Bearcat. The 880 and the 980. That center post has got 7.8 volts on it. That's what works the wireless microphone. Turn that racket down a little bit. Turn on my squelch. But yeah, that I think high top's hauling it. Yeah, you say something? I got 3 of them going. Working on the 4th one there. I got your Superstar done. I got your Tombstone done, and I got that old Cobra done. I'm working on the Uniden 980 mic now. I gotta get back on the solder gun. It's getting late. Okay, number 1 is yellow. I need to put a piece of heat shrink on that. Center post there. It shouldn't be exposed there. So let's see if we can't get this slide over top of that bad boy. Cover that up. See what I'm talking about. That center post don't need to be exposed. It needs to be covered up. Fire up my old heater here. We'll shrink that real quick. Alright. There's that. Now, by number 1, you got 1 through 6 numbers on these pins. So, number 1 is yellow for audio. So right there it is. Take the yellow wire, put it on the number 1. There you go. And I recommend, if you do a lot of wiring, get you one of these little stands right here. These little extra hands help you out a lot. Got some crazy skip out there. Crazy skip. Okay. Now, wire number 2 is black. So, black is number 2. Goes right there. Black is on. Take your time, don't burn your fingers. It's all good in the hood. I love that line. It's all good in the hood. Alright, we got a shield wire here. Let me go ahead and put some insulation on that as well. That shield is exposed there pretty good, so we're going to put just a little bit on that. You ain't got to worry about heating up that gun. Just slide it over top of the wire. It'll be all right. See there? You see how smooth that went on there? Yeah. That red is number 3. That red wire wants to be a pain in the butt, so let's put it back in our little tray here. Put this in there like that. Now we got easy access to it there. Remember, Okay. Number 4 is no connect. And number 5 is shield. Now, that should do it right there. So, this wasn't on there, so I added it to it. There is a I added this. Kind of covers up all the connections. Lord. Turn that down. Yeah, this wasn't on here, so I added that. Slide that up a little bit. There you go. Now that little bitty screw that goes in there, y'all need to be careful, because if you lose that bad boy, it goes in the floor, there's a chance that you ain't gonna get it back. I recommend using a magnet screwdriver, and make sure you stay over your workbench, because if that screw drops in the floor, you'll spend a half a day trying to find it. That thing is super, super small. Gotta get this done before I go to work. I guess I can turn my phone off. Don't need that no more. I don't know if I've thanked you all enough or not, but thank you for watching my videos. If you got an old Johnson, old Heath kit, Hamiltons and the Brownings, when you do this mic job here, you got to remember them Q-type radios have voltage on a pin, so just be careful. This ain't the wiring for it, but if I get a red transmit, it should be wired for a Unity. It's not going to show receipt because it's for a RCI. I need to clean up my tools. It's really dusty in here. But we got 4 done. We got this in here. We got this Cobra here done. I got the Superstar that had the broke wire inside of it. This one here was just dirty switch. And they call these a tombstone. They had a dirty switch. Got 4 of them fixed. Let's go give them to the customer. Thank everybody for watching my videos, and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye, bye, bye. see that? What's wrong with this bad boy? It's got all kinds of tape on it there. Let me turn the radio back down. I got a few more minutes to kill. Let's see what we got here. Okay, it's receiving. You can see it's receiving. Got a green light there. That's a good sign. Okay, the red light's transmit. Okay, we got feedback.
Audio 1 2. Audio. Hello 1 2. Ain't a thing wrong with this thing. Audio check. Good clean switches. Move that wire, move this one around, move this one around.
Move that one around.
This thing's working fine. Break. Let's move the variable up and down. Audio check.
Okay, we got an issue. I found it. Audio check. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Hello. She just quit working. Okay. Must be something in this variable modulation microphone. Hello, audio check. 1 2 1 2. All right. It's got an issue. Imagine that. Oh. Let's get in this bad boy and see what we got here. Spray some of that magic lubrication in it. See if that might help the problem real quick. Wow. The screws must be 6 inches long. Let's turn this bad boy back on. Yeah, I'll spray some that's in there. I didn't know better. I think this battery's dead. So it'll work for a minute and go out. Sounds like this battery's dead. So let me put this baby on 9 volts. That's a positive here, negative here. Look at that. Nothing wrong with this microphone. Got a damn dead battery. Look at that. It's dead at 4 o'clock. Oh, Lord. Energizer, baby. Energizer. Look here. Oh, Lord. Look here. Negative on this side. Positive on that side. See what I'm saying there? If it's in the green, it's a good battery. This microphone's going to work. My. There you go.
Audio check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Getting on down, getting on down. Audio 1, 2, 1, 2. I'm moving the variable. I'm moving the variable. I'm moving the variable there on the mic gain. Audio 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It seems like it's working real good. Well, 408 just got down.
All right. I gotta use another screwdriver. I don't know if it'll go in that one or not. Yeah. Gotta use this.
Audio check. Still working. Still working. Audio check. 1, 2, 1, 2.
That's amazing on what you can what kind of sound you get out of these microphones with a good battery. You know the old saying, it's all good in the hood. I don't know if that's...
Number 5, number 5, number 5, number 5, number 5 just got down. Bum, bum, bum.
Garbage. Okay, that's number 5. That one. Got that one. Got that one. Got that one. And got that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just got down. Have a good day. Got a Superstar DM 452 here. So I gotta put another battery in it before I can actually try it out. Let's see if it receives. Yep, it's receiving. Got that green light. That's a good sign. Let's see if I can get a red light. Yep, I get a red light. Okay, so let's get us a fresh battery here. Let's put this baby on the meter. Alright, you can see that's in the green. It's all good. Alright. Plug this boy in there and see if we can get some audio out of this thing. Audio, 1, 2, 1, 2, audio. No audio. Alright, I'm on that Superstar Echo mic now. There's no audio coming out of it. I put a fresh battery, no audio. It's got something to do with the audio. Let me get in there and clean that switch and see what we got. Yeah, 10 volt. Yep. No audio, so let me turn this up. See if that might help. Audio, audio. Just make sure we ain't got a wire broke on this thing. Turn this off, save my battery. There might be a broke wire on this end. We'll see. Y'all see what I see? You know what that is? That's the audio wire. And the microphone already has the insulator. I pushed it back in there by accident. Yeah, that slides over top of that. Alright. Let me get my razor blade here. Cut off a little bit of that. Oh. That wire broke quite a bit back in there. It's going to be just enough to make connection. Now, plug that bad boy back in there. Oh, we got feedback. She's working. Audio check. 1 2 1 2. We're on Echo Mic. We're on Echo Mic getting on down. 408 on Stingray's Technologies. Just got down. Right there, right there. Click, click, click. It's working. It's working. Alrighty now. See if I can't get that in there. Hopefully it don't slide down. Okay. There's that. Now, where did you go? Uh-oh. Guess I'm gonna have to watch the video, find out where my little screw went to. I hope it didn't go on the floor. Oh, there it is. Woo! Man, you talking about small. Ah! Come on. All right. Don't be all stubborn. You don't want to tighten that too tight. You'll strip that out. And you'll have to replace your mic plug. Put it snug, but don't get too tight. Don't get too carried away. It's all good in the hood. I'm going to spray a little bit of that in there. Got to put this in there a little bit, just a little bit. My miracle. My miracle lubrication. Alrighty.
Testing 1, 2. We're going to try it one more time. Testing 1, 2. Okay. Audio check. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Audio check. Right there. Right there it is. Right there. Audio check. 1, 1, 1, 2. Audio check.
Alright. Let's put that baby on here. Oh, Lord.
Oh, damn,
Hello. Yeah, I had the mic gain too damn high, man. I had the mic gain too high on this old North Star or Superstar. What do you think? Hello.
I don't know. But yeah, it's good to go. It's good to go.
I got a lot of RF in here. I might have the mic gain too high on the microphone. Let me turn it down a little bit. We'll get it. Let's go halfway with that. Okay, we went halfway. Hello, we went halfway on the mic gain. And I had to turn the radio down some. Hello.
Hello. It sounds like you got a UFO behind you.
Okay, I turned down the echo and the reverb. Audio. Let me turn it all the way off. Alright, what we got now? Hello.
Nice clear mic now.
Okay. Audio. Okay, we're just going to bump it up just a little bit. We're going to bump it up just a little bit. Audio check. Hello, 1, 2.
Alright, as soon as you started to bump it up, it started to like make a damn noise. As soon as you quit bumping it up, it quit making a noise, but there wasn't no echo or nothing there.
Alright, we bumped up a little bit more. Audio check.
Kind of like wants to squeal a little bit in the background.
Yeah, I'm real close to DNA and got a lot of feedback in here. Audio. I turned the mic gain down some on the radio. Hello.
Yeah, it's just no echo, but it's nice and clear and loud.
Okay, we went up a little bit more on the echo level. Audio check. It's on the first dot. On the first dot. Hello.
You might have a little echo, but I'm not sure if it's echo, if it's somebody else keying up.
Okay, we bumped up a little bit more. Audio check. Hello.
Here goes the echo. Well, it sounds good right there. Hope it sounds that good on one of these radios over here.
I'm a little bit past the 1 dot. A little bit past the 1 dot, and I got the mic gain on the microphone halfway, and I got the my radio microphone is cut way back. This thing's got a Mods kit in it, so it's not liking this radio, but I made it work. Roger.
Hey, Roger.
All microphones are done, and I'm heading to Elizabeth in here in a few minutes.
Roger.
Hello. She's still holding. Hello. Uh-oh. I got a squeal. Hello. Got a crazy squeal on this microphone. He don't like this radio. It might work good on yours. Oh, by the way, it needed a new battery in this one, and the audio wire was broke. Had a wire broke at the mic plug.
Hey, Roger. I need 2 brand new 9-volt batteries, is what you're telling me.
No, they're already in there. I can take this one out pretty quick, but the other one has got 4 screws in it there. I'm going to leave it in there. But you want me to take this one out, I will. It's an Energizer there. Audio. I can take it out if you don't want to leave it in.
Well, leave it in. I'll just have to leave for a battery.
Yeah, these old Energizers, they ain't cheap. They're expensive there. Audio. They're expensive battery, but they last a long time.
Hey, Roger. 5 minutes till 1.
Bye. Thanks everybody for watching the video. I gotta go.